welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Tichie. Karibu. We are back in my shower again. The last time I brought you guys to my shower was when I was prepping my hair for a long-term protective hairstyle. So I've already taken down my hair. It took me a solid 4 hours. So now I want to wash. I am doing a late night wash, which is not my preferred time to wash, but hey, tomorrow is such a busy day for me, so I have to do it tonight. So product lineup, I already pre-pulled with the cold press sunflower oil. I love this sunflower oil. I've been using it for a long time. You can find it at Carrefour. And then I'll be cleansing using black soap. I got this in PR from Shishi Naturals, and I've been saving it for a long time, and I think this is the right time to use it because black soap is a really good natural cleanser, and that's what I want for my hair because my hair is dirty. Okay. And then I'll be doing a DIY deep conditioner. If you saw my last wash day, you remember I ran out of deep conditioner, so I haven't bought any product since. So yeah, that's what I want to do. I'll do a DIY. It's hibiscus, amla, and aloe vera powders mixed together. I mix it up with some okra gel and a hint of apple cider vinegar. So that's what we'll be doing for our deep conditioning session. I'll definitely use some heat, then proceed to styling. So that's the plan for today. So like I had mentioned, I had already taken down my hair. It is just sitting in these twists, and the sunflower oil is acting as a pre-poo. It helped me during detangling. I think I'll have that video up before this one, so I can link it and then you can go check it out. So it's like my maintenance and takedown. I like giving you a full spectrum of a protective hairstyle, from pre-installing to installing, and then maintenance, taking it down, and then wash day after taking it down. So that's what this video is about today. So this is how my hair is looking. I did do some light trimming, and yeah, so this is the hair. So let's get into washing it. This wash day is usually very quick compared to the previous wash day, which I'll also link. So yeah, that one, if I haven't linked it already, that one is tiresome, but this one is really quick, so I don't mind. I'm starting off at right now it's around 6:30, so I'm hoping to be done by 8:30. So let's do this. I'll wash and then I'll come apply the shampoo. We see how it lathers. You guys know the drill. Let's do it. So this is how my hair is looking like after I've taken out the twists, and I must say I'm impressed with the volume. I'm going to section my hair into 4 sections, into quads, because I just love working in sections. It makes everything so much easier. I'm from rinsing off my hair with warm water just to take off any excess oil and prep it for shampooing. Oh, and I think I just broke the cap of the shampoo. And oh, the product is very liquidy, so I'm just trying to work with that consistency. But I must say I'm impressed with the lather. Can you see, like, the product is lathering, and this is the first wash. And my hair, my friend, my hair has been dirty for 2 months. So yeah, I'm very impressed that it works like this, and it's just the first wash. I usually get this with the second wash, so I must say I'm loving the black soap. So what I do is drag whatever is on my scalp to the strands and the ends of my hair. I do not apply product on my ends especially, so yeah, that's just how I work. I like to baby those ends, and that means not putting anything that is strong or harsh on the ends. I like going in with my shampoo brush, but I need to be very gentle with this because hey, the first time I used it I was rough. I was using so much pressure, and hey, my scalp was on fire. So I just use light pressure, but it does help with stimulation on your scalp. I really like how this is an extra step that you really don't need, but it feels really good. So after rinsing off my hair, I just squeeze the excess water and make it ready for deep conditioning. And as I had mentioned before, we'll be using my DIY deep conditioner. All the ingredients in this deep conditioner are hydrating, moisturizing, they soften, they condition the hair, as in these herbs and okra. Yo, everything in this deep conditioner is meant to restore moisture, revitalize the hair. So just what my hair needs after a long-term protective hairstyle. This is exactly what it needs. Another good thing about this hair mask is that it does not stain, so I don't need to wear gloves compared to like henna where I need to wear gloves because that one stains so bad. Another thing I love about DIY hair masks is that they leave you with great definition in your hair. Like they help clump your curls, your coils. So I really like that about this hair mask. The only downside I can say about these hair masks, DIY hair masks in general, is that they do require lots and lots of water to wash out the mask, or else you'll have some particles remaining in your hair, which was my case. I had some particles remaining in my hair, but I mean the benefits outweighs such small, I can say small issues. So I'm going to put my hair up in a shower cap and proceed to adding heat to my hair so that all this goodness can get absorbed. It's always good to use heat when you're using a hair mask, any type of hair masks in my opinion. So yeah, that's what I do. So you might not see such a huge difference compared to like my store-bought deep conditioners, which get fully absorbed, but trust me you guys, my hair feels really good, especially once I rinse off all this mask. So I did notice that there's a section at the front that I did not rinse off very well on this side, if you can see it. But yo, have you peeped the definition? My hair feels light, airy, so soft, so smooth. It feels so clean. I love it, love it, love it. It's not weighed down with any product. It just feels nice and like yo. I'm really enjoying the feeling. So that's it for this video. I hope you found it useful. Make sure to subscribe on your way out and I'll catch you on the next one. Bye.